Hello, everybody. My name is Tim Brage. I'm the Senior Manager and founder of the Business Incubator Growth Garage of Mitsubishi Chemical Group of the Advanced Materials Division. Welcome to the short introduction of our Composite Engineering Challenge. We are very excited to have you in this webinar. Short about the Business Incubator, we really foster open innovation. And why do we do that? We really think that the biggest challenges around the world, they really need collaboration with you. We need to make sure that we get in touch with visionaries like yourselves. And of course, innovation is not only a big idea. A big idea needs implementation. And what better way to do that, let's say, with the whole community, with the whole group, to make sure that we really accelerate the growth of your business. So we really look forward to seeing your big ideas, and we are going to support you with a great team. We're going to collaborate and really implement all those big ideas. We have been running quite some engineering challenges already. As you can see here, we started in 2021. This is the fourth engineering challenge that we are running. And so far, we have helped dozens of startups around the globe, over 30 countries, really to implement their big ideas. Today, we are going to talk about the Composite Engineering Challenge. And of course, are you the next winner? So this is a short introduction, around 10 minutes, to explain you what this Composite Engineering Challenge is all about. And as said, we have a broad expert jury panel from the companies ATC, Nordic Bionics, Airborne, Specialized. We have representatives from the JEC, from ICAVAL, MAPG, GRID, Revolver, and even AMI. So a broad range of expert juries, jury members that are going to assess your idea, assess your business, assess your application, and together we are going to support you to implement. Who can join? Let me first shortly explain our Composite Engineering Challenge. So we are inviting innovators, entrepreneurs, early adopters, can be at universities, at startups, at scale-ups, that need fiber-reinforced composites to realize their prototype, part, or application. Is your business still in a very early stage and you are looking to introduce, let's say, or produce your first prototype that you're going to introduce to customers to generate this proof of concept, then you are highly welcome to this Composite Engineering Challenge. But also if you are in a more intermediate stage or even an advanced stage of your business. Maybe you're producing prototypes or even already a small series production, and now you are looking for the right material, design, manufacturing combination to make the next steps and to make reproducible parts, even at high volumes, cost effective. All these stages are highly welcome to this Composite Engineering Challenge. You can find more details around this challenge on growthgarage.mchem.com. Maybe very important to notice is that we expect all the participants that they own their IP, that they do not infringe anybody else's IP, and the IP also remains with the participants. In other words, it remains with you. So whom can join? If you have a project or you are starting your business or even running your business, we really want to be inclusive to a number of companies. Whether you're active in new mobility, autonomous delivery vehicles, aerospace or marine, looking for fuel economy improvement or to reduce your CO2 emissions, you are highly welcome. If you're active in the field of robotics, drones, or any moving or rotating parts, and maybe are looking to improve the accuracy, the speed, or even to reduce your energy consumption, then you are highly welcome. We also notice that quite some companies are active in applications that are either crash resistance, want to reduce vibrations, need dampening, or even need to be corrosion resistance. Then you are highly welcome to this Composite Engineering Challenge too. Of course, we're also looking to improve the well-being of people. So if you are active in the field of bionics, assistive technologies like exoskeletons, wheelchairs, or even medical instruments, you're highly welcome to this challenge. And lately, let's say we also added the self-sensing material. So if you are integrating sensors in composite parts, having self-sensing, self-healing polymers, or even want to reduce the carbon footprint by using natural fibers, then you are highly welcome to this composite engineering challenge. As said, open innovation for us is about collaboration, about your great ideas, and also how we can help you to further implement. And whether that is with material selection, selecting the right manufacturing technology, if you need prototyping expertise, want to understand how the costs would look like for manufacturing, all of that is a part of our support package. And we are going to tailor the support to your needs. You also get access, of course, to our network, to our community, to our partners and jury members, but also to industry experts or experts around sustainability or even with market intelligence. So all of that, let's say, is part of the package, and we will tailor that support to your needs. To give you a short impression around the toolbox that we have available to realize your parts, you see here already an overview. We have thermoplastic based composites. We also have thermoset based composites, from continuous fibers up to short fibers, low carbon footprint parts like recycled polymers, recycled fibers, or even bio-based resins. All of that is part of our toolbox where we can support you. So what are the next steps? Of course, in this composite engineering challenge, you are probably interested to hear about the timing and also what kind of award you actually can win. So first, let me talk about the key dates. The challenge itself will close on January 22nd, early next year. So that means you still have 5-6 weeks to participate and to submit your great ideas. The finalists will be announced on February 1st, and the winners will be announced on the 22nd of February in 2023. We have this time 3 awards. Let me first start with the overall award, the jury winner award, and that is all about matching our selection criteria. And I will come back to those selection criteria. And our support is worth 25K, meaning that we will again tailor our support package to fit to your needs. We also have an innovation award. Those that are really having an impact on the industry, have a differentiated value proposition, have innovative ideas. Also, you are very much welcome to participate in this challenge. And we will also have a Revolver community winner where everybody is going to vote on the best ideas. And of course, there you will get an honorable recognition. So feel free to participate. What are our judging criteria? And please feel free to go to our website and read this in more details. Also there you will get a lot of explanation and what, for example, the technical feasibility, the technical readiness level is. We also will, of course, assess the commercial feasibility. What is your business model? What kind of value proposition do you have? What kind of differentiation do you have in your idea, in your business? Did you already test with customers? Did you already produce a minimum viable product? So there we want to get an idea how close you are already to generating business. Furthermore, we also will make an assessment around scalability and especially the manufacturing readiness level. Are you, let's say, in a very early phase, looking at prototyping, or are you ready to scale up your production? Of course, we also want to know whom is behind the idea, whom is behind this business, what is your team, what kind of competences and capabilities do you have, and how can we tailor the package to really support you in making the next step. And lastly, we also will look into sustainability. Do you have the circular economy in mind when you are, let's say, making your business model, when you have your value proposition? Are you closing the loop, or are you working with a low carbon footprint product? So all of these elements will be taken into account by our expert jury panel. And as said, please take a look at our website, then you can even read more about this. Lastly, how to enter. Of course, we will invite you to go to growthgarage.mchem.com where you can find all of this information. We will have a homepage also explaining previous challenges, what came out of it. We have a very detailed description on this composite engineering challenge, and you will find back the judging criteria. You will also find how to apply. So at first, it starts with either logging in or you have to register, and then you can fill out the applying form. Because you also have to register, that also means you can go back every week to further improve on your submission. So we kindly invite you, please be part of this. It's a global challenge. There is a lot of competition. And so far, we have seen in the previous ones that we really had companies participating that really influence the industry in their own way. So looking forward to see your submissions with our team, with our expert jury, and hope to see you soon. Bye.